I always told the kids when they were growing up, don't panic till you see Dad panicking. G'day, it's Pete. How you going? Today we pulled up for a 15-minute break at House Creek Rest Area. So House Creek's a heavy vehicle rest area. About 2 k's south of Miriam Vale on the Bruce Highway. I can normally get up here in about 5.5, 5 3/4 hours, so that's pretty good for me. I can do 6 hours in my first hit, so it leaves me about an hour to get up to the smelter. So House Creek's pretty typical of a lot of the rest areas up and down the Bruce Highway. You have basic long drop toilets, non-potable water, a couple of bins, that's about it. It's pretty quiet here during the day, but if you don't get here early enough in the afternoon and the evening, it fills up pretty quick full of trucks. And if you miss out on here, you got to find a dirt patch somewhere down the highway. So it's always pretty clean here. They normally keep the amenities here pretty clean. A couple of picnic tables. There's always bins here. Looks like they've had a bit of rain here lately, so it's a bit mucky. Okay, we've had a busy couple of weeks. Haven't done much filming at all. Been running up and down the same bit of highway, carrying the same stuff for 3 or 4 weeks now, 6 days a week. So it was a bit of Groundhog Day. Until 2 days ago, when the federal government put in stage 1 restrictions because of COVID-19. Up until now, I've probably had a head in the sand attitude towards the whole situation, and because I don't have much face-to-face contact with anyone through my daily life, it hasn't really worried me. So now, pubs, clubs, cinemas, restaurants, all sporting events and churches have been closed. Even the truck stops that I go to for a burger every now and then, all of their indoor seating has been closed. It's a bit of a in-your-face It's a bit of an in-your-face reminder of exactly what's going on. Tuesday lunchtime at the moment, and we're probably 12 hours away from Queensland closing the borders to all interstate travel, except for food and medicine trucks. So I guess I've been forced to pull my head out of the sand and have a good look on what's going on. So my job's not in jeopardy at all. Same as Barb and the kids. Barb and Benny work at the kids' hospital there in town, so they're basically essential services. So financially, we're not going to be in a bit of any drama at all. But yeah, I always told the kids when they were growing up, don't panic till you see Dad panicking. Well, here we are. Stage 1 restrictions and border closures. So on a personal level, I am not really affected by this virus at all. I don't know anyone that is infected at all at the moment. But like a lot of other blokes out there, my concern is that I'll be put in a position where I can't provide for or support my family And I think that's what's really scaring me at the moment. So please, hug your kids, hug your missus, and hopefully we'll see you down the road.